Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your OnePay card. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you ordered a OnePay debit card. How do you actually go ahead and activate it? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, once you log into your OnePay account, go ahead and click on Details on the upper hand corner where it says your debit card should have arrived. Next, click on Activate your card. And then from here, you're going to enter the last four digits of your card number and as well as the expiration date. After you enter that in, click on Continue. And next, you need to set a 4-digit PIN for your debit card. Now, once you set your PIN, you can see some options here where you can just exit out, and there you have it. You've now gone ahead and activated your OnePay debit card. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead about doing this. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.